0.5 cubic feet security safe with electronic lock and 3 operation indicator lights. Powered by 4 AA batteries not included. Includes 2 emergency override keys to protect against forgotten passcodes or dead batteries. Keep keys in a well-hidden, secure location. Strong steel construction with carpeted floor to protect against scratches and damage. Pry-resistant concealed hinges. Adjustable, removable interior shelf. Safe is not fireproof or waterproof. Pre-drilled mounting holes with 4 expansion bolts are included to mount safe to wall, floor, or shelf. Exterior measures 13.8 by 9.8 by 9.8 inches. LxWxH. Interior measures 13.6 by 7.2 by 9.7 inches. LxWxH. Door thickness is approximately 2 inches. Product weight is 17.6 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Add a safe light. A very good basic safe. I have no complaints. For my needs I probably could have used the slightly smaller version. One tip, I put a motion-sensing battery-operated LED closet light in the safe. The small round light came with magnets that stick to the inside top of the safe. Open the door and the light comes on. This makes it very easy to see and find documents in the safe. Shut the door and the light goes out.